Have you ever looked at a country's population and thought, wow, that's a lot of kids, or, whoa, they have more grandparents than grandkids? Population pyramids help geographers see exactly that. Today, we'll break it down, root word style. Term: population pyramid. What is a population pyramid? A population pyramid is a bar graph that shows the age and sex distribution of a country's population. X-axis: number or percentage of people. Y-axis: age groups, cohorts, usually in 5-year increments. Left side, males. Right side, females. It gives a quick snapshot of a country's population structure and helps predict future needs, schools, jobs, healthcare. Root word breakdown. Population right-pointing arrow comes from Latin populus meaning people. Pyramid right-pointing arrow comes from the Greek word pyramis meaning wheat cake, or pyramid shape. So a population pyramid is literally a people shape. It shows the shape of a country's population by age and sex. What it is. Picture a bar graph flipped sideways. Males on the left, females on the right. Youngest at the bottom, oldest at the top. The shape tells us about births, deaths, and future population trends. Shapes and what they mean. First, triangle, pyramid shape, wide base, narrow top. Example, Nigeria, Afghanistan. Meaning: high birth rate, high death rate, rapid population growth. Stage: DTM stage 2, early expanding. Second, beehive, rectangle shape, fairly even throughout. Example, US, France. Meaning: low birth rate, low death rate, slow growth or stable population. Stage: DTM stage 4, low growth. Third, upside down pyramid, narrow base, wide top. Example, Japan, Germany. Meaning: aging population, declining birth rate, possible population decline. Stage: DTM stage 5, declining. How to read 1, AP exam tips. Wide base, high fertility rate, likely developing country. Narrow base, low fertility rate, possibly aging society. Bulge in one cohort, baby boom, war recovery, or large immigration event. Gap in one cohort, war, famine, epidemic, or out-migration. Why they matter in APHG. Predicts future needs, schools, workforce planning, retirement systems. Shows migration trends. Sudden increases in young adults can indicate immigration. Reveals policies. Can hint at pro-natalist or anti-natalist population policies, e.g., China's one-child policy effects. Real-life examples. Let's look at 3 examples. Stage 2 triangle shape. Think Nigeria. Wide base equals lots of kids being born. This means rapid growth. Schools and jobs will be in huge demand soon. Stage 4 beehive shape. Think United States. It's more rectangular. This means slower growth. We still have kids, but also a lot of working-age adults. Stage 5 upside down pyramid. Think Japan. More older people than younger ones. This means potential worker shortages and a big need for elder care. AP Human Geography Alignment. Unit 2. Population and Migration. Topic 2.3. Population Composition. Skill. Describe patterns and trends in population using demographic data. Key concept. Population pyramids, age-sex structures, are used to evaluate population composition and future population trends, like aging populations or youth bulges. Topic 2.4. Population Dynamics. Students analyze how population pyramids can reveal crude birth rates, crude death rates, natural increase rates, dependency ratios, impact of population policies, pronatalist, antinatalist. What this means for students. Population pyramids are one of the most testable visuals on the AP exam. Students are expected to interpret shapes, expansive, stationary, constrictive, predict social, political, and economic implications. Connect to the demographic transition model. So next time you see a population pyramid, read it like a story. The shape tells you where the country has been, and where it's going. If you learned something new today, give this video a like, hit subscribe, and drop a comment with a country you'd like me to analyze next. Check your knowledge and icon statements in a Google Sheet in the description or attached to your Edpuzzle. How do you stack up?